How to uninstall Roblox Studio on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about uninstalling the Roblox Studio on your PC or computer. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and tap on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now from this page, simply go ahead and select Roblox Studio and right click on it. There you will see the option of uninstall. Tap on it. Then it will take you to uninstall or change your program section. From here, simply scroll down and then search for Roblox Studio for test. Tap on it and right click on it. And there you will see the option of uninstall and the Roblox Studio will be successfully uninstalled. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and search for add or remove programs. From this list, simply search for Roblox Studio, select it, and then tap on uninstall and you'll be done. Now to install the Roblox Studio again in your computer, you can go ahead and search for Roblox Studio, go to Roblox Creator Hub and tap on it, and then you can go ahead and tap on download Roblox Studio, click on start creating, and Roblox Studio will be successfully installed on your computer. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. This is exactly how you can uninstall Roblox Studio on your PC and reinstall again if you like. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.